Hi guys, welcome to this video on how to use weavesilk.com. So here's the home screen, and then if you just draw a line, it'll bring you to where you can. I'm just gonna hide this message real quick. So this is where you can start doing stuff. Here's full screen, and then here's save image, so then you can save it later. And then here are the controls, so and then there's undo. So going to the controls, you can change the color here. I'm gonna go with purple for now, just gonna doodle something real quick. And then to merge colors, you can just drag it. And then if you want it to be default other color, then you can. So how this kind of works is if you move fast, it's gonna be the base color, second color, and if you move slow, it's gonna be the other color. So gonna move back to black here. So black actually ends up being more white, but it's just like gray. So this is first. Just gonna click on new. This is one forward rotation, and this is two forward rotational symmetry, three forward rotational symmetry, 4 forward rotational symmetry, 5 forward rotational symmetry, and 6 forward rotational symmetry. So going back to one foot here, you can also do mirror across center on, so pretty much it's just gonna be symmetrical, same on both sides. And then I'm just gonna turn that a mirror across center, and then spiral towards center, so pretty much it's just gonna be like a tornado kind of vortex thing toward the center of the thing. So like if I make it like pink, for example, and make it, and then I'm gonna make it green, turn off rotational symmetry, make a line. So this is just gonna add some leaves. So this kind of looks like a rose, right? So silk's really good for like abstract art. Gonna click on new. So new obviously creates a new thing, and you can obviously mix and match stuff. So here, this is like a really beautiful mandala. You can do different colors. So that's like a flower. It's really good for abstract art and mandalas and stuff. So I think it comes out really great. You can do multiple colors, and then just gonna you can do whatever. Yeah, so it's just like whatever you want. So if I'm taking this one right here, and then I can just get a new, clicks on new. I'm just gonna make a little something else. Like, feel free to do different colors and stuff. I really love the colors, they're so vibrant. And you can also mix and match. Like, I'm just gonna do some lines here and then just lines across, and then I'm gonna do some just little details. Gonna take some pink to make pops, little dots, and then I'm gonna do spiral towards center, and then I'm just gonna do some little like circles that are gonna be like going inward. So it's really fun for like mandalas and designs and stuff. I love drawing like flowers and designs and stuff. It looks like something on an ancient like Aztec temple or whatever. So I think that's really cool. And just like a little doodle. So now you can click on undo, Z instead of undo, and then Z to turn it back on, and you can just click on Z space to start fresh. And then I'm gonna show you how to save an image, so I'm just gonna make something pretty real quick. I'm gonna do some yellow and orange. So here's something pretty that I made. I'm gonna click on save image, right click on save image, and then I'm just gonna have it downloaded. I saved this as Pretty Flower 18. because I made 18 pretty flowers. And then you can just click on Save and Jazz to get put it away, and click on New. Just gonna show you guys just a little more detail. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned a lot on how to use Weave Silk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.